Some breaking news that's coming in. 6 supporters of Asaram Bapu have been detained so far. They are now being moved out of Jodhpur by train. Now that's happened. 6 Asaram supporters, the followers who had gathered outside the Jodhpur Central Jail, have been detained and they are now being moved out by train. We're joined in by Maushami, who will be giving us more update on that story. Maushami, what really happened over there? These supporters have been actually detained now by the police and they are being moved out of the city.
That's right. We are told that the police has detained few supporters. Now let me tell you that the police had issued an appeal asking all supporters to refrain from coming to Jodhpur because Section 144 was in place. That means that anybody assembling in more than 4 in number is actually wrongful assembly and should avoid coming to Jodhpur. That was the message that the administration had clearly given through the media. And we are told that these supporters were coming towards Jodhpur jail while they were detained, and the police in turn is trying to move them out from the city.
Maushami, what we saw in the case of Gurmeet Ram Rahim, what these guys go ahead and do, we have just heard Asaram spokesperson go ahead and appeal to the followers not to create any mayhem on ground, not to take law and order in their hands, but they go ahead and do that. Yet there's some sort of a passive aggression where these followers still go ahead and create those kind of untoward instances that happen and law and order situation is disrupted.
That's right. If you see the case of Gurmeet Ram Rahim, the way the entire system was sabotaged and the supporters actually took the law and order in their hands and they ran amok, breaking public property, damaging public property and creating an entire mayhem as they walked on the streets, and the police and the administration, there was absolutely a mute spectator watching. Right. From the sidelines. It was absolutely shocking. Media was attacked, and that was actually a lesson that the Rajasthan government in fact has learnt well.
Right, Maushami. Just hold your thoughts there. We are also joined in now by our colleague Jumana Shah, joining me live for more on this story. Now, Jumana, the fact that Asaram has been charged under the relevant sections of the POCSO Act, now that also makes this verdict extremely important right now, where the country has actually woken up to the horrors of twin rapes as far as Kathua and Unnao is concerned, and an ordinance was passed for raping of the minors and a capital punishment demanded for raping of minors under 12 years of age. Now that if convicted, Asaram Bapu will also look at a minimum of 10 years of imprisonment. So what more can you tell us? What is expected? The kind of support that this guy commands is also a big deal here in this case.
Asaram certainly commands massive support in Gujarat. If one might recall, in 2008, when the dead bodies of 2 young boys, Dipesh and Abhishek, aged 10 and 11, were discovered right outside, right behind the Gurukul, which is run by the ashram. And the parents had alleged that the kids were killed because of black magic that was practiced inside the ashram, and they had alleged that Asaram and his son were directly involved. There is nothing that has been happening about that. There was a D.K. Trivedi commission which was formed, and the commission has submitted its report. But one doesn't know what is the result, what is the recommendation or the finding of that report. That is one part of it. Second is there are 2 rape cases, one each against Asaram and his son Narayan Sai in Surat. And the case is going on right now. At the moment, I am outside the Asaram Ashram in Motor. As you can see behind me, there is extremely heavy police deployment. At one point, just about 2 minutes back, the police had completely blocked the road outside the ashram. Like, nobody could go in or go out. One might want to believe that it could be some intelligence that they might have received. So, yeah, that's what we have at the moment.
All right. Thank you so much, Amana, for more on that update. And we are tracking this big development as far as we await the Asaram verdict. And we have our reporters on ground to take you through the entire proceedings through the day.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.